Updated, 8:53 a.m. Good morning on this snow-blown Thursday. A winter storm warning is in effect until 1 a.m. on Friday. Expect 6 to 10 inches of snow, strong winds, and temperatures below freezing. A coastal flood advisory is also in effect until noon for waterside areas in southern Queens and Staten Island. As of 7 a.m., 1 inch of snow had fallen in Central Park, according to the National Weather Service, and parts of Long Island were already seeing more than an inch. Schools in New York City are closed, as are many others across the region. See the list here. State offices are closed in New Jersey and Gov. Chris Christie declared a state of emergency in several counties. Commuters are encouraged to avoid driving and use mass transit when possible. The snow will be heaviest during the morning commute, but it's likely to affect the evening commute as well, so travel safely and leave yourself extra time on both ends. You can check for service changes and delays before heading out. The subway, A, C, E, B, D, F, and M trains are running with delays. Metro North, the Danbury line is running with delays. Long Island Railroad, the Babylon, Hempstead, Oyster Bay, Port Jefferson, Ronkonkoma, and West Hempstead lines are running with delays. New Jersey Transit, bus, rail, and light rail services are running on a normal weekday schedule, but buses to and from the Port Authority bus terminal may experience delays of up to 45 minutes. Cross-honoring is in effect on buses, private carriers, rail, and light rail services, but not on PATH or New York Waterway ferries. Access Link has suspended service in several parts of the state until noon. Bridges and tunnels. Motorists are encouraged to drive at reduced speeds on bridges and tunnels across the city, so expect a slower than usual commute. A speed restriction of 35 mph is in place on the George Washington Bridge, and there are residual delays at the Lincoln Tunnel ferries. All C-Streak services suspended. NYC Ferries East River and Astoria routes are running on normal schedules, but there are suspensions and service changes on the Rockaway and South Brooklyn routes. Newark, LaGuardia, and Kennedy airports. Airlines have already cancelled many flights to and from East Coast destinations. Amtrak trains between New York and Boston are running on modified schedules. Alternate side parking is suspended for snow removal today and Friday. The flurries should dwindle by this evening, but it may feel as icy as 0 degrees or lower. What might be more concerning, according to Tim Morin of the National Weather Service, are the days to follow after the snow is over. We're expecting a very frigid period of weather on Friday and Saturday, Mr. Morin told us. Wind chill factors can be even worse than we had during the New Year's period, so everything's going to be really frozen in. For citizens who need to be outdoors, it's really going to be a tough go. Friday and Saturday are showing highs near 12 and lows around 4, but with the wind chill, it may feel as biting as 20 below 0. Plan accordingly and stay warm. Think hearty dishes like soups and stews, or hot chocolate and cold weather cocktails. We will continue updating the column regularly throughout the morning, and you can read more in our live briefing about how the bomb cyclone is affecting New York and other parts of the country.